we're gonna do subtractions. Do it, Mom.
Okay, go.
Do it.
Subtraction. 20 minus 5.
15 minus 5, 15.
How about 30 minus 5?
30 minus 5. I don't know. What?
30 minus 5.
30 minus 5. Okay. 25.
How about 10 minus 8?
10 minus 8, 2.
How about 5 minus 2?
5 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2.
Hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna put 10 on.
You're right. How about 45? 45 minus 3.
45 minus
I'm
3.
sorry.
Okay. 45 minus 3 is probably.
You're not playing anymore?
I am playing.
He's just sleeping in the game.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this game is very realistic.
45, remove the 3. How many?
You sadly have to pay bills.
42.
And
You're right.
You have a job.
Okay. X.
How about 65 minus 5?
65 minus 5.
That's nice.
It hasn't get someone.
So
So
like
easy,
realistic.
but it's okay.
Like you're an
Okay.
adult.
You still got it
I'll
easy.
take your money.
60.
I tell you what.
You're right. 90 minus 30.
90 minus 30.
90 minus 30.
19.
90. 90.
Okay,
Yeah,
90
that's why you have a job.
minus 30.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I need to turn on.
It's morning.
Okay,
70.
yeah, you can go to work. You can
90 minus
60.
it's 60.
Okay.
100 minus 40.
100 minus 40. Okay.
40. 100 minus 40.
So, take a bath. 30.
Yeah, I'm gonna
60.
60.
So this is 100. And then remove the 40. So 60.
100, that is like 10.
Yeah.
You just add one more zero.
Let me see.
Exhale.
Just joking.
You just gotta stop
Next.
pressing the wrong thing.
How
Mom, can
about
we do a different one? You do it. I did that. It's like different one. Hey, do not Do not.
division?
Just join.
Let's do. Mag-practice ata.
Guys, I'm a little bit of smart people in the world.
Wow.
So let's do it. Mom, next. Let's do it. Okay, mommy.
Okay. 10 minus 2.
10 minus 2. I thought you said we can do plus first.
Okay, let's do addition. 10 plus 10.
10 plus 10, 20. That's so easy. Next,
How about 30 plus 20?
30 plus 20. 30.
You're right.
Cause 2 plus 3 is 5, and the 30
Add
plus
0.
20 is 5.
Good job.
It's
So
smart. How about 90 plus 5?
90 plus 5, 95.
How about 100 plus 15?
100 plus 15, 115.
How about 80 plus 15?
18 plus 15.
80. 80.
80 plus 15. 80.
Stop. You're wasting money for no reason.
I thought it was 80.
80.
I thought it was 80, 15.
Yeah, 80 plus 15.
No, one time.
80 plus 15.
Now then. You can press it.
95.
Wow. You're
I
right.
don't need hands. Okay, next.
How about
I'm home.
30 plus
Now I have to clean the dishes.
30 plus
60.
7?
30 plus 7, 37.
How about
Mom, you can do 50 plus
no
80.
25 plus 7?
35 plus 7.
Oh, that's the TV.
What a difficult.
Just count.
Just count. Use.
No, I can think. I don't mean counting. I do Jeremy. Okay.
Ingat mo kay expression.
What was that again?
25 plus 7.
25
No, I'm
plus
a brightness.
this guy.
Gi, 25. You count.
25
Plus 7. Just continue. 25,
I keep
26.
forgetting most of the
Gi, 25, 26, 27. You add 7. And how many?
So
25.
32.
You're right. 32.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. 32.
What in the world? Something's going happening to me.
Yeah, you're right.
Equals
Until what's